found that cat in the pagoda in the temple. Yeah, it was about to die. The mother. I don't know where was the cat. Mother. I don't know. Just bring it home. Yeah, and feed with it some meal right now. You can. Oh yeah, see. Yeah, so cute. Suốt đây hay là tên là muối hot score. Okay. After coffee, gotta smash some weight. Yeah, this is how you get fit while traveling. Yeah. Chest and back day while traveling. Workout done. Gonna head back to the place, to my place, and gonna have a party tonight. Yeah. The place. អីទេ
20000 ជាងផងអាមានលុយសងទេណាមានលុយសងប្រាប់សុំបានទុកឲ្យឆេះតាមទុកដាបានប្រាច់ទេ
Morning, guys. This is the day 3 of the adventure, and I'm now packing my stuff. Yeah, and ready to go to over here. Bye bye, Oscar. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you next time. Go in the house. I need to lock the door. Go in. Go in the door. Go in the house. Go in the house. No. You know, guys, I really love to ride on this kind of road because it's so silent. It's so peaceful. It's like it's just me and the bike and the road and the view. You know, like cruising 100, 120 kilometers per hour, something like that. Yeah, it's really my thing. I'm gonna go to the largest waterfall in Cambodia, which is called Frostzk. Yeah, it's located between Cambodia and Laos at the border. Yeah. Right, the very here city right now, and it's 11 a.m. in the morning. So I'm gonna rest here like maybe an hour for lunch, and then head to Stueng Treng city. Alright, entrance into the Limit Waterfall right now. Yeah, it's 91 kilometers on this road, on this red dirt road, so I need to quickly move, and about to rain, I think. Yeah, I need to quickly move. I'm gonna change the mode into enduro mode. Yeah, because this road is enduro mode at first. Guys, look at this. Wow, awesome. So beautiful. At either side, this way to the waterfall, and this way to a mountain called Phnom Preh Kon Hai. I'm gonna go to waterfall first, and then maybe try this way later. Yeah. Mà tô mà không? Wow, guy. Whew. Can you see this? Oh, ho, 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 ho. Wow. Just arrived the Limit Waterfall, and bam. Wow. The rock is just like not a rock, just like wood, like chunk of wood, and bam, 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 bam. Oh my fucking god. This waterfall is the world's largest waterfall. I mean in length, not in height, but in length. It's the world's largest waterfall. It's even like it's bigger than Niagara Falls in Canada, you know. Goodbye, Waterfall. See you next time. Bye bye. And right now I head back out to the national road and then continue to Stueng Treng City. And I'm gonna be in Stueng Treng City for one night. Yeah. I hope I can make it out to the national road before sunset. They just chill out in the middle of the road. Oh shit. So funny. I'm riding the Stueng Treng City bridge right now. Wow. This bridge is awesome. There's another bridge over there which lead to the Laos and Cambodia border. Wow. Look how big is the Mekong rivers. So huge. I just found a very good lodge in this area in Stueng Treng. It's about 9 kilometers away from this place, and it's good because it needs to cross the river again to another side. And as I saw the pictures on TripAdvisor, it looks so amazing. So I'm gonna try to go to that place. Hopefully there's a room available for me. Woo, look at the sunset. The reflection on the waters is very gold. It's like golden hours. So beautiful. So awesome. Mai. មានបន្ទប់អត់មានបងមានប្រាំងចេញចូលក្នុងអូ The place got this room for $15 a night. This is the balcony, and that is the view. I'm importing the file into a computer, and I'm kind of tired, so after importing the file I need to go to bed, and I'm not doing the editing, not yet, not tonight. So yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna do maybe go for like kayaking and boat touring or something. Yeah, so good night guys, see you guys tomorrow. Bye guys. ពីចេញមកពីប្រាវិហាបាទតែវាជិះមកពីប្រាវិហាมันមានបត់ឆ្វេងមួយចូលទៅបាទ91គីឡូបាទហើយដល់ពេលហើយបងចេញមកវិញតាមនឹងវិញទៅมันទៅចូល9ចេញ9វាមិន180បាទ180ទៅដល់កងសោបានឡើងពីពេញកងសោហើយដល់ពេលនៅ60ជាងគីឡូមកដល់នេះទៀត